Hey guys, so this is going to be the next video in my pre-filmed little series of Sephora Play unboxings. This is the box for March 2018. Of course, we get our 50 Sephora points, Beauty Insider points, that are just building up and I have not been using. These expire after a month, so oh well. All right, and this one looks like kind of like a map. I'm actually a little confused. I'm overwhelmed. What's your festival beauty vibe? Where do I start? Are you going to a festival this year? No. Have you ever been to one? No. Would you pay for $8 water? I've paid more, probably, yeah. Which product can you not live without? Where are my options? SPF or highlighter? Highlighter. What's on your eyes? My fave singer signature palette. Camera ready false lashes. Probably like a palette. Probably not a singer though. Probably like a YouTuber. And it says full on festival fanatic. I answered the first question. No, I don't go to festivals. Whatever, that was fun. So on the back, as usual, is that an Amika product? Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love Amika. Am I saying it right? Oh my god. Oh, okay. I'm just gonna get into the bag and open up and see what's inside. Oh, this bag is so cute. Sometimes I keep these bags, guys, as like little things to carry my jewelry in when I go traveling, or like something to throw in my beach bag to hold like my phone or my headphones. Like some of these are cute. Like when I did Birchbox for a while, I kept some of the boxes that were like super cute. And like one of them holds all my essential oils in my room. One of them holds my receipts on my desk, like, cause they were really cute. And I hate like spending money on these kind of things, and the packaging is great and then you just throw it out. So I try to find uses for things, and like the last one I got was a little weird, but this one says beauty is my spirit animal, and I definitely think I would like bring this in my beach bag with like some makeup products in it. All right, so first things first is, ooh, I don't know if I'm saying this right, but this is the Carez Greek Yogurt Foaming Cleanser, a luxurious cream to foam cleanser that contains skin-loving Greek yogurt. I gotta smell it, because, you know, yogurt. Ugh, has a thing on it again. Oh my god. It smells like the beach plus yogurt. Is that weird? I'm excited to try this. This is the Stila All Day Eyeliner in black. And it has this like sharp tip, like felt tip. Hello, focus. Oh, there we go. It has like a very sharp felt tip to it. Oh, so nice. I'm not big on using liquid eyeliner, but I remember using this once and loving it. Ooh. Oh, I'm so sad this is a sample size, but honestly, I'll probably buy a big one when I need a new mask. This is the Amika Nourishing Hair Mask. Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Gratify your hair with rich, high-potency nourishment that hydrates and softens to the core. Deeply conditions, repairs damage, and increases shine. And we all know I need that. This is the IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm, a nourishing leave-in conditioner that boosts your hair's hydration for shiny, frizz-free style. So I love many things like this that I can use on clients, because like obviously I want to try things out on myself, but I'm so set in my ways with most of my hair products. But I think this would be really cute to throw into like my bag for clients and use on clients after doing their hair. Ooh, it smells really good. Who knows? Maybe I'll use it on myself. Oh no, is this broken? What is it? It's a setting spray. I feel like nothing's coming out. I feel like the spray bottle is broken. I might have to put it in a new bottle. This is the Supergoop Defense Refresh Setting Spray. It says Defense Refresh Setting Mist Broad Spectrum SPF 50 with rose in it. Did it say with rosemary? In the picture it says with rosemary. On the bottle it doesn't say rosemary, but I definitely smell it and I inhaled it. This would be really nice to put, like I said, in a little beach bag and bring it to the beach with you if you have some BB cream on and stuff, but you want to spray your face and put some sunblock on, because this does have SPF 50. Spritz over makeup to refresh your UV protection. I've never used Supergoop before either. I haven't used a lot of these products that actually came in this one besides Stila and Amika. Last product is Bobbi Brown Extra Illuminating Moisture Balm, a moisturizing balm that energizes tired skin with ultra-fine pearls. So this is probably like a really just nice moisturizer. Yeah, it's just really glowy. So this was the March Sephora Play unboxing. If you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed what you saw in the unboxing, or unbagging really, then click that like button, comment what you thought or any requests down below, and be sure to subscribe to my main channel, my beauty channel, and my vlog channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.